Ooh, and
listen, no, fuck no, don't do that shit.
Hey, what's up, you guys? Operator Otter here today. We're filming another stupid fucking video today. We have Operator Ronin here. He's going to be in his iPro and his mask because he's going to turn around and then we're going to shoot him with every gun in the back one time. So he's agreed to do this. I think it's fucking stupid, but we're going to do it. It's going to be fun. It was my idea. Operator Otter here again. This is the EMG Jack 9 PDW.
oh yeah,
you hit me.
What would
didn't hurt.
What would you rate that on the pain scale, 0 to 10?
Like 2.
A 2.
It's Operator Otter. This is going to be the H&K MP7, the FC, the electric model, the AG.
Ooh, and
listen, no, fuck no, don't do that shit.
Hi guys, I'm Clown, and this is the VFC MP5A4.
Ooh, that one actually does have a little bit of impact. Oh, it has 2?
2 shots.
Ah. Yeah, give that a 5.
5?
Yeah.
All right.
Alright, this is Operator Deity here. This is the KWA QRF. This is my main primary, and I'm gonna shoot Operator Ronin with this 3 times.
That was 3.
That's like, I think a 4.
Hi guys, Operator Ronin here with the CZ Scorpion.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Ooh, that was meaty.
Meaty?
That's like 5.
5.
Yeah, that was a 5.
Ooh.
What's up, guys? Razor here, and right now this is the Cybergun SIG 552. Sorry, Ronin. It's gonna suck.
Ooh, another meaty hit. It's still 5.
Still a 5?
Yeah.
This is the ICS Tavar 21.
I don't think he did it on purpose. It does
No,
that a
it
lot.
wasn't. That was probably a 6.
Really?
Videos are not scripted.
They're 100% scripted. There's like a whole list. Everybody has to read it actually the night before. It's usually 422 pages long. 100 of them make it to the edit.
I can't read, so
That does
Sorry,
have
guys.
a lot of the problem. Why our videos are so shit.
What gun next?
I think it's the...
Oh. Is that Clown's gun?
Is that Clown?
Hey guys, Clown here again. I'm here with the LE582 carbine variant this time.
Ooh,
Oof.
that was a 6.
We can do it again. Our videos are scripted. Start talking again. Start talking again.
Hey, hey! Shut up on my quiet on my set. Oof, oof.
You wanna handle your business? No, I turned around. He handled his business. So, you guys, Otter. This is the EMG SR6.
Oh shit!
Oh, not the beer! Oh!
That was for spilling the beer.
FBI, open up!
What's up, you guys? This is the EMG SR16. I have the long barrel version. Ronin has the short barrel version, so he's gonna get 2 shots.
Ooh. It's like that's a 7.
A 7?
A 7.
Oof.
What's up, guys? Razor again. So this is the VFC HK 416 A5, and we're gonna double tap him with this boy.
Ooh. Ooh. That is an 8.
That's an 8.
That is an 8.
He says that's the 8. That's the 8.
I knew this was gonna fucking hurt. All right, guys, back again with the Jag Arms scatter gun, and this is on 6-round mode, so 6 shots per trigger pull.
I caught one.
He caught one.
It's pink.
How bad? A 3. Like a 3.
Otter back again. This is going to be the VFC Scar L, and we're going to give him 1 shot with it.
Ooh, in the tricep.
Yeah, I'd say 6, 8-ish, yeah.
6 or
No, 6, not 7, 8-ish. I'm sorry, I don't know how to count.
what's wrong with you?
This is the Tokyo Marui AA-12 sledgehammer. Oh my god, thank god. Holy shit, I felt 4 pellets hit me, but no, that was like...
I literally got shot in the leg.
That wasn't too bad.
Whoa! Wait a minute, hold on. Let's talk about this one.
I would say about like a 4 or 5. This is the WeTac 416 gas blowback. Ooh. An 8.5.
This is Operator Bear. This is the M249 Paraweight. Para Featherweight by Cybergun. Keep it.
All right.
Look at fuck.
Give that a good old 6. This is Operator Deity here with the M82 A1 Barrett. Oh dear. An 8.
An 8?
Yeah, but it hit like right in a weak spot, so it's like...
Your whole body's a weak spot.
All right, you guys, that was all of FPT's current primary weapons. Actually, I think we forgot something.
Did we?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Sounds like we forgot something. The Classic Army micro gun, M132.
Whatever it is.
Whatever, it's a fucking minigun.
You get the idea.
Nick, I cannot guarantee where this is gonna go.
I know! Oh! Fuck me, bro! Holy shit! Oh my god!
So I think that's a...
Woo! Everywhere?
So that's a 10?
That's a 10.
That's a 10? He says it's a 10.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please don't do this bullshit at home. We do this because we're stupid, so you don't have to. But hope you guys enjoyed. Go check out our other videos. Fallen Phoenix Tactical. If you don't, follow us on Instagram. Fallen Phoenix Tactical is also our Instagram. That's my Instagram. So give me a follow. But other than that, we'll see you in the next dumbass video we do.
Ooh, okay.
I say we let him.
Which one is that? What about that one?
This one's mine.
I wouldn't be against it.
Yeah, I would stand
You got some up here?
Barely.
Not too bad,
I
Nick.
say we give Nick a little payback. Yeah,
Where'd
we
I
all,
get you in
we
the
all
arm?
stand on a line shoulder to shoulder, and he
the
shoots
arm
us with a
one?
minigun.
No, Gary? It was like
No.
right here.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
My question is why are you still wearing Crocs?
If you ain't crocking,
Dude,
you
look,
ain't rocking,
Because
bro.
look, if we're in some like really bad terrain, 4-wheel drive, now I'm ready to go wherever.
Him and his little Beetle and his little wife, you know? They be out there in their Crocs and
That's
the
what I do.
4-wheel drive.
And my 4-wheel drive.
Look at her tiny Crocs. Her little size 2 feet.
It's like average size.
Hey! We're trying.
Shut up! We're filming over here.
Oh my god.
Corey!
Oh my
Do I
god.
gotta get that Star 16 again? Okay.
Oh, more cutting.
Tiger gun.
Okay, just kidding. It's the a goddamn classic Army M132 microgun. Who could have guessed it?
Give it up to the socks, boy.
What the fuck?
Oh my fuck! Which one hurts the worst with two?
And three magazines.
Two magazines!
You'll be seeing you on the field like these, boys.
Oof! Oh, Jesus!